LOL stuff.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can find the LOL.
It's the one that said.
Oh, that's pretty. We gotta find the LOL. Ooh,
Let's go look for it.
look at those. My size. I used to have one of those.
And Anna.
A my size Barbie. But I had a my size Barbie. Look at Anna. Anna. I said Anna.
He's so silly. It's got.
Okay.
This is not big enough. Hi guys, welcome to Little Miss Aria. Go to my YouTube channel, get a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. It's Little Miss Aria.
And guys, don't forget to follow Aria at her Instagram page. On her Instagram page, it's the name of it. It's Little Miss Aria. So go follow her before you finish watching this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. I got the LL Petty surprise.
Let me see. Let me put it up in the camera. Confetti pop surprise.
Yes, she's good. Let's open it.
Are you ready to open it? Let's see what you got. Open it. Let me see. You just pull the zipper down.
Just put a zipper right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Let's see what you got in the first layer. What is it?
It's
Oh.
it's a girl so you can listen to your ears.
No.
No.
Let me see it. It's a girl who's very pretty with makeup. Plus, zzz, like you're getting sleep. Oh, it says beauty sleep. What a great clue. Okay, let's open the next layer.
Wait.
Zipper.
Wait, there's a zipper.
What's in this layer?
I got a sticker.
Oh, stickers.
Plus water.
No. Yeah. Plus water equals. Okay.
Equals like equal.
What's in the next layer?
I.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited. I know I'm excited. I got a big ball. I got a...
Whoa. What is it? Tattoo.
Tattoo.
Hmm.
There is a tattoo.
Don't pull that part. You breaking it. Okay, we found the first opening. The first opening. Right there.
Yeah.
Right here. Lift it back.
This the back.
Okay. Open the first door.
Okay.
What's in it? Okay. Okay.
It's a zip.
Pull the string. Hold it up and pull this. Hold up. Want to open this first?
Yeah.
Open that first. And let's see.
Open like a bag of chips.
Let's see. Oh,
It got shoes.
pink little shoes. Cute shoes. Very cute.
Do the next
You ready to
one.
pull the string?
Yeah.
Okay. You pull it hard as you can. Hold it up. Hold it up. Hold the ball up. You gotta hold it up. Hold it up. Pull it. Pull it hard as you can. Oh, I don't know how to do it. Okay, we're gonna wait to pull the string. It says wait. Now open that part.
He was trying to pull me out.
Oh,
It broke. Oh.
okay. You what's inside? Aria.
Oh.
Ooh, what's inside? Don't
It's a
lose the ball.
bottle.
It's the bottle. Open it.
It's a bottle.
Let's see.
Yes! I was right!
Oh, that's a cute. It's cute. Very cute. I wonder what it is. Who is it?
It's a cup.
Okay. Go on the next layer. Twist it. Oh!
Oh!
It popped open. It popped open, you guys.
Yes, it popped open. I didn't see it before.
You didn't break it this time.
It's the first one right here.
What's in it? Open it up.
It's a headband. I feel like it's a headband. It's
Let's see. Sleepy. Oh my God.
you sleep on.
Those go over your eyes when you are asleep.
Yeah, you sleep on your eyes.
That's where beauty with the Z's come from. Beauty sleep. Okay. Open the next one.
Let's open the next one.
You gotta put that down.
Huh?
You gotta put those down. Spin it.
Spin it. How do you spin it? So spin it. This is the last one, guys.
You gotta. You gotta spin it, Aria.
This how you fit.
Okay, see. What is it?
It's a clothes stove.
Cute little dress. Oh. Let's open the doll. Da 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 da.
Dun, 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 dun. We
She doing a dance. Let's see her. She's cute. She has rollers in her little head.
yes, she's cute.
She's very cute. Let me see. She's cute. She has rollers in.
She looks funny.
As you can see, guys, we have baby doll. We got baby doll. Isn't she just so cute? She's so cute. Like, very cute. Like, look at her little rollers and her little dress.
She looks funny, yo. Her rollers look funny.
Her rollers look funny.
Yes.
She's so cute.
And you can see she's pretty and she can drink.
She can.
Let me show you guys. Oh! I love you. You love me. We just have a family with the right. Don't you say you love me
Too.
too. Hey guys, the party you waiting for. The giveaway!
Okay, guys, so we put all of the names that wrote a comment and that subscribed. We put all of those names in this bucket.
Yeah.
And she's gonna turn her head and she's gonna choose a name out of it. And whatever name she chooses, they win the giveaway. And I know you guys have heard that the Pearl Surprise hasn't been released yet. LOL Surprise said it will be released in March. So we have something else special to give to you guys. So just look out. And then in March, I'll do the giveaway for the Pearl Surprise.
Yes.
Yes.
Look at it.
And you'll see Aria opening it. You can't pick one now, babe. You gotta wait. You gotta turn your head. Dun, 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 dun. It's time to pick. Turn your head. Close your eyes. What are you doing?
I'm closing my eyes.
Okay, how about I tie something around your eyes? Hold on. Okay. Her eyes are covered. Dig in. Dig your hand in and pull it out. You can't look. Whatever name you choose, that's going to be the person who wins. Let's look. Let's open it up. Whose name is it? Let's look at it again. Turn around. Sikorsky. Viri. That's the winner. Say yay! Soki. Try to say it. Skoski. I think that's right. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. But you are the winner, Skoski Viri. And want to tell them what they won? You won. Show them what they won. You won a LOL 7 Layers of Fun, the game. Ooh. You also won a Nom Nom. It has, let's see, it's the Series 4.2. And it has nail polish or lip gloss. It has, and it smells delicious. It includes 1 nom, 1 lip gloss nom, or 1 nail polish nom. So it's a surprise. And then, dun 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 dun, you have the one of the Series 3 Confetti Pop. Say yay! You can take it off now, Aria. Thanks for watching this video.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to follow Aria at on Instagram at It's Little Miss Aria. And subscribe to this channel. Comment. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.